Have you ever wondered how some women over 40 manage to look effortlessly rich, elegant, and confident with just a few simple touches? You know the look, refined, elevated, and perfectly polished. The kind that makes heads turn and whispers follow. And yet, it's not about flashy clothes or bold trends. It's something else, something subtler. Well, gorgeous, you're about to unlock that secret. Because in this video, we're revealing 10 luxury jewelry accessories that instantly elevate women over 40 into the realm of timeless elegance. And no, it's not about how much you spend. It's about what you choose. These pieces come straight from the world's top luxury houses: Chanel, Cartier, Mikimoto, Gucci, Louboutin, Yves Saint Laurent, Louis Vuitton, and Rolex. And trust me, accessory number 7, it's the one even A-listers quietly swear by. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add that signature old money polish to your wardrobe without saying a word. Ready? Let's dive into the elegance. Let's start with an absolute classic, the Chanel Coco Crush ring. It's iconic, it's architectural, and it's everything women over 40 love. Confident, refined, and rich in heritage. Inspired by Chanel's legendary quilted pattern, the Coco Crush ring adds just the right amount of edge to a mature, elegant hand. What makes this piece even more captivating is how well it transitions across settings. From boardroom to dinner party, it's bold enough to make a statement on its own, but still subtle enough to blend with a stack of finer rings. The craftsmanship is impeccable, with Chanel's signature satin brushed finish offering a soft, elegant glow. Available in beige gold, yellow gold, or white gold, with or without diamonds, it instantly says, "I have taste, and I know it." Here's a power move. Wear it solo on your index finger for that Parisian power moment. Here's a fun fact. The Coco Crush ring debuted in 2015, but its quilted motif dates all the way back to Coco Chanel's equestrian-inspired jacket designs from the 1920s. Nothing whispers elegance like a perfect pair of Mikimoto Akoya pearl studs. For women over 40, these aren't just earrings, they're a rite of passage. Mikimoto pearls are known worldwide for their luster, roundness, and stunning overtone. These pearls reflect light in a way that adds a soft glow to the face, ideal for enhancing mature skin tones with grace. They elevate everything: your LBD, your silk blouse, even your errands day denim. Akoya pearls are a timeless investment, and Mikimoto ensures their earrings are perfectly matched by hand for size, shape, and radiance. Set in gold or platinum, they become a refined staple that brings quiet power to any ensemble. Style tip: choose the 7mm or 8mm size range, big enough to be noticed, elegant enough to stay timeless. And here's a fun fact. Kokichi Mikimoto was the first person to successfully create a cultured pearl in 1893, launching what would become a global jewelry empire. Next up is edgy elegance with a story: Cartier's Juste un Clou bracelet. French for just a nail, this bracelet turns hardware into high fashion. It's more than a piece of jewelry, it's a wearable sculpture. The design wraps smoothly around her wrist, forming a perfect circle that's both bold and delicate. For women over 40, it's a statement of knowing who you are. Unapologetically polished, unexpectedly daring. It offers contrast to soft fabrics and harmonizes beautifully with structured tailoring. Whether in yellow, white, or rose gold, with or without diamonds, this bracelet redefines what modern elegance looks like. Here's a secret touch. Choose the rose gold version for warmth that flatters mature skin tones. And here's a fun fact. The Juste un Clou was originally designed in 1971 by Aldo Capullo, the same designer behind Cartier's iconic love bracelet. Want to add strength to your look without saying a word? Meet the Gucci lion head pendant, a symbol of strength, power, and divine femininity. It's bold, regal, and deeply rooted in Italian heritage. The lion head, with gleaming eyes and intricate mane details, symbolizes courage and self-expression. Gucci's lion motif is rooted in myth and Italian craftsmanship. For women over 40, it's the kind of bold storytelling that blends perfectly with minimal outfits. It transforms a simple black turtleneck into a designer statement. Available in antique gold finishes and often accented with crystals, this pendant exudes charisma. Here's a bold tip. Let the necklace sit just below the collarbone for maximum visual impact. Fun fact: the lion symbol was chosen by Alessandro Michele to honor Gucci's Roman roots and is believed to represent protection and strength. Yes, you heard that right. Christian Louboutin does jewelry, and it's every bit as cheeky and luxurious as his iconic heels. The Louboutin red lip pendant is playful, unexpected, and delightfully French. Made of red enamel and gold tone brass, this tiny charm carries the sass of a stiletto with the subtlety of a wink. It's the perfect mix of fun and sophistication, ideal for those who want a little personality in their luxury. For confident women over 40, it's a reminder that elegance doesn't have to be serious. The red lip motif echoes Louboutin's signature soul and brings a splash of color to neutral outfits. Here's a vibe booster. Wear it layered with finer chains to create a personalized luxury story. And a fun fact, the red lip pendant was inspired by Louboutin's lipstick line, which features bullet-shaped tubes meant to double as jewelry. There's nothing quite like the feeling of slipping on a pair of Yves Saint Laurent Cassandra drop earrings. Crafted with the legendary Yves Saint Laurent monogram in a sleek dangling design, these earrings elongate the neck and add drama without being loud. They offer a sleek geometric line that draws the eye vertically, creating the illusion of length and sophistication. Women over 40 love them because they're instantly recognizable but not overdone. These earrings evoke a certain intellectual glamour, ideal for evening cocktails, gallery events, or an effortless chic brunch. Here's a golden rule. Let these earrings be the star. Avoid busy necklaces to keep the balance. And here's a fun fact. The Cassandra monogram was designed by Ukrainian-French artist Adolphe Morin-Cassandra in 1961 and remains one of the most iconic logos in fashion. Subtle, sculptural, supreme. The Louis Vuitton Essential V bangle is one of the brand's most understated power pieces. A simple V set in polished metal or gold tone brass rests elegantly on the wrist, hinting at luxury without screaming it. It's perfect for women who want a quiet flex. Think old money sophistication with a French twist. This bracelet goes with absolutely everything: tailored workwear, silk dresses, or even a crisp button-down and denim. Here's a styling tip. Pair it with a crisp white shirt and tailored trousers for a rich minimalist look. Fun fact, the V motif has been used in Louis Vuitton's trunk design since the early 20th century, representing the brand's vogue, voyage spirit. Of course, no luxury jewelry list would be complete without a watch, and the Rolex Lady Datejust is the crown jewel. With its timeless fluted bezel, cyclops lens over the date, and a dial that can be customized in mother of pearl or diamonds, the Lady Datejust is an heirloom in motion. It's more than a watch, it's a declaration of legacy, of milestones earned and moments remembered. For women over 40, it's the perfect fusion of function and fashion. You're not just wearing a watch, you're wearing a history of excellence, innovation, and timeless glamour. And here's a confidence cue. Let the watch peek out under your blazer cuff or silk sleeve. It speaks volumes. And here's a fun fact. The Lady Datejust was first introduced in 1957 and was the first Rolex model designed specifically for women. Never underestimate the power of a Chanel brooch, especially the camellia. Inspired by Coco Chanel's favorite flower, the camellia brooch adds instant French elegance to any outfit. Pin it on a blazer, a wool coat, or even your belt for a twist of couture charm. The petals are often paved with diamonds, giving the piece soft shimmer without overwhelming flash. This piece turns everyday wear into runway-worthy moments. For women over 40, it's not just jewelry, it's legacy dressing. It evokes grace, poise, and artistic refinement. Here's an elegant move. Use it to secure a silk scarf at the neckline. Sophistication in seconds. And fun fact, Coco Chanel preferred the camellia because it had no scent. She didn't want it to clash with her signature perfume. We're closing with a romantic icon, the Cartier love ring, pavé set with diamonds. Created in the 1970s and still going strong, this ring is about eternal commitment and eternal style. The diamond version adds a layer of sparkle without sacrificing its minimal screwhead motif. It's sleek, bold, and eternally modern. For women over 40, it's the perfect blend of grown-up glam and timeless restraint. It serves as both a romantic symbol and a wearable conversation piece. And here's a luxury tip. Stack it with thinner bands or wear it as a pinky ring for unexpected elegance. And here's a fun fact. The love ring was originally part of a couple set that required a screwdriver to remove, symbolizing lasting love and fidelity. Now it's time to dive into the top 10 secrets behind these coveted pieces. At number 1 on the list, did you know the Chanel Coco Crush ring is crafted using a unique finishing technique exclusive to the house? Chanel's proprietary satin brushed finish gives each ring a soft glow that mimics the look of quilted fabric, a tribute to their iconic handbags and jackets. Number 2. Did you know Mikimoto selects fewer than 5% of cultured pearls for their jewelry? Their meticulous sorting process ensures only the most luminous pearls make it into earrings, making every pair a statement of rarity and quality. Number 3. Did you know that Cartier's Juste un Clou bracelet takes more than 30 hours to assemble and polish by hand? Even though it's shaped like a nail, the craftsmanship behind each piece is a masterclass in precision and luxury. Number 4. Did you know Gucci's lion head jewelry is based on real sculptures from Italian architecture? Alessandro Michele studied Roman monuments to create a fierce yet feminine symbol that links past grandeur to modern elegance. Number 5. Did you know Christian Louboutin originally designed his lipstick cases to double as necklaces? That design philosophy directly inspired the red lip pendant, combining beauty, sensuality, and fashion into one wearable piece. Number 6. Did you know the Yves Saint Laurent Cassandra logo is so revered that it's in the permanent collection of the MoMA in New York? These earrings aren't just fashion, they're wearable art designed by a typographic genius. Number 7. Did you know Louis Vuitton's Essential V bangle is only available in select boutiques and often not advertised online? It's part of their quiet luxury strategy, where scarcity and discretion add to the item's appeal. Number 8. Did you know the Rolex Lady Datejust fluted bezel isn't just decorative? It was originally functional. The grooves helped screw the bezel onto the case, ensuring water resistance while adding visual prestige. Number 9. Did you know Chanel's camellia brooches are released in limited quantities and often become collector's items? Their seasonal drops create demand among loyal clients who treat them like wearable haute couture. And number 10. Did you know the Cartier Love Ring has inspired knockoffs worldwide, but only the real version features Cartier's proprietary locking mechanism and serial number? It's these subtle details that distinguish timeless luxury from mere imitation. Wow, what a journey through elegance, confidence, and timeless style. These 10 luxury jewelry accessories aren't just beautiful, they're style transformers for women over 40 who want to elevate without trying too hard. So tell me, which piece was your favorite? Which one can you totally see yourself wearing to your next lunch date, meeting, or dinner soiree? Drop your favorite in the comments, I'd love to know. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more luxury secrets and elegant style tips. Because next time, we're revealing how to combine these 10 accessories to create signature looks that scream old money without saying a word. Until then, remember, elegance isn't about age, it's about attitude. Stay stunning.